what's going on? Welcome back to Hogilac TV. Today we're installing a rear fender bolt on a Harley Davidson Hogilac. Should be the same for all the bikes with the rear fender bolt for to mount the seat. First thing I like to do is get the surface prepped to protect it. Once the surface is all protected, you're going to take a piece of wire, run that wire down through the hole in your fender. Once that wire is in place, you go to the opposite of the wire and place that silver portion with a small circle facing upwards onto the wire, and then tie a knot below it. Once that's all good to go, you're going to pull it forward, slide it all the way up to the hole, and then you're going to place the locking mechanism on it. And at that point, you could remove your tape. And that wire, if you can't push it all the way back down through the hole, I had a little bit of problems. It was folding up on itself, so that didn't work out. What you do is just cut it off at the top, and then the knot on the bottom portion will just fall out, and you're good to go. Like I said, that was replacing the bolt for the seat and rear fender. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, or let me know if you have any other methods of replacing this. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a good day. It's Hogilac. Thanks for watching. Let's ride.